Samsung users, it's here. The brand new One UI 8 update for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Faster, smarter, and more stylish than ever. This update takes your phone to the next level. Let us dive into everything new and exciting packed inside. One UI, smarter AI and experience. First up, Galaxy AI just got supercharged. Now your phone understands what you see, say, and do. Gemini Live can interpret what's on your screen in real time. No switching apps. And the new Now Brief gives you personalized updates like traffic, reminders, health tips, and even content suggestions, all in one smooth feed. Fresh look and design. One UI 8 looks amazing. Cleaner icons, adaptive wallpapers that wrap around objects, and redesigned quick settings for faster access. The whole interface feels smoother, brighter, and more premium. You'll actually feel the difference every time you unlock your phone. Security and privacy. Samsung's legendary Knox security just leveled up. With Keep encrypted storage, each app gets its own protected space, and Knox Matrix will automatically sign you out of your devices if it detects suspicious activity. That next-level protection. Plus, Wi-Fi now uses post-quantum cryptography for unbeatable privacy. Camera and tools, the camera app, even better. Portrait Studio captures pets and people with lifelike lighting, and the AI editing tools can enhance photos instantly. You've also got live call captions that turn conversations into text, perfect in noisy places, and multitasking is smoother with improved split screen and DeX mode support. Closing. So yeah, One UI 8 isn't just an update, it's a complete experience upgrade. Smarter AI, tighter security, beautiful visuals, and smoother performance. All optimized for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you haven't updated yet, go check for the update now. Your phone is about to feel brand new again. Don't forget to like and follow for more Samsung updates.